Hello everyone. Playing a flute is not everyone's cup of tea. It needs immense practice and determination to ease up your difficulty. We have built a Arduino-based flute playing bot which plays a flute with same melody as a person playing it.
So we, the students of Team 2, present before you our engineering exploration course project, the Fluto bot, built under the able guidance of Mrs. Preeti Baligar. The problem definition of our course project is to design a lightweight flute-playing musical bot comprising more of standard parts. The entire bot includes the flute, the tune-playing unit and the air blower. The flute, having the length of 44 cm and inner diameter of 0.17 cm, plays two tunes that will be selected manually by the user. The flute will be blown by an automatic air blower whose airflow will be controlled. Function tree and functional clustering. We have divided the entire functioning of our system into 5 different categories. The first one is the flute handling unit. This includes fixing of flute to a firm immovable stand. Second one is the air controlling unit, which includes the air blower that blows controlled air to the flute. It also governs the creation of barrier after a particular tune is completed. Third one is the user interaction unit, which accepts the input from the user to play a particular tune. Fourth one is the tune playing unit, which governs the coordination of rubber caps with the pre-written Arduino code. It also governs the shuffling of tunes as and when required by the user. And the last one is the casing unit, which displays different tunes for the user to select. It also acts as housing for the entire tune playing unit. So the final subsystems identified are flute handling unit, air blowing unit, user interaction unit, tune playing unit and the casing unit. In order to build an ideal flute playing bot, we looked into several concepts. The first generated concept was flute played by electromagnetic keys. In this concept, the flute is fitted with 12 electromagnetic keys corresponding to human fingers. A row of 15 photocells read the music roll and their amplified signals operate these 12 keys and also govern the airflow inside the flute. The second concept generated was Arduino-based flute playing bot. In this system, several rubber caps attached to the servo motor arms act as human fingers. The servo motors work on the basis of pre-written Arduino code. The airflow to the flute is provided by an automatic air blower powered by direct supply. Airflow is controlled. This system provides us a provision to create air barrier after a particular tune gets completed. The third generated concept is flute playing bot with compressed airflow. This concept includes several plastic caps which act as human fingers, leading to the creation of sound. The airflow to the flute is provided in a compressed manner by the automatic air blower. The last generated concept includes hydraulic flute playing machine. Several hydraulic tubes act as human fingers and help in playing the tune. The airflow to the flute is also provided by hydraulic mechanism. It does not provide any provision for barrier creation after a particular tune gets completed. After looking into all concepts, we selected the concept of Arduino-based flute playing bot as it satisfies our problem definition to more precise levels. Let us look into the 3D model assembly of our entire system. This part is the flute stand whose base is made up of acrylic sheet. These are the nylon rods upon which the grooves are made by bending the acrylic sheet. The inner curvature of these grooves matches with the outer curvature of the flute so that the flute fixes firmly. This is the casing part comprising of tune playing unit and the user interaction unit. The user interaction unit consists of different buttons for each of the tune. And the tune playing unit consists of 7 servo motors that are attached to the casing with the help of acrylic sheet clamps. The 6 servos attached to the rubber caps via copper strings help in the flute hole closure mechanism in order to play the tune. And the 7th servo motor is used for creating air barrier after a particular tune gets completed. This servo leads to the closure of blowhole of the flute and hence no tune plays.
Circuit diagram of the entire system. The circuit of the entire system consists of 7 SG90 servo motors, out of which 6 servo motors are used for flute hole closure mechanism, whereas the 7th servo motor is used for creation of barrier after the tune gets completed, leading to the closure of the blowhole of the flute. The circuit comprises of 2 push buttons which constitute the user interaction unit. The entire circuit is powered by a 9-volt battery. Flowchart of the entire system. The air blower takes the input from the main supply and starts blowing, and the tune plays. After the completion of the tune, the servo motor angle changes from 0 to 90 degrees, leading to the closure of the blowhole, and the barrier is created. Hence, the tune stops playing. On the other side of the flowchart, there is a tune playing unit that takes input from the buttons. If the sequence of the servos is according to the tune code, the servo motors remain in on state with their angles at 90 degrees, leading to the closure of the flute holes and the tune plays. If the sequence of the servos is not according to the tune code, the servos remain in off state with their angles at 0 degrees, leading to the opening of the flute holes and no tune plays. Summing up the materials used in the system, here is bill of materials required for entire system. Motor sizing and battery sizing of the entire system. Motor sizing. We have used rubber caps which weigh 0.01 kg with length of motor shaft with wire to be equal to 11 cm. We have also considered factor of safety to be equal to 1.5. Hence, the final torque will be equal to 0.264 kg/cm. The torque of SG90 servo motor is to be equal to 1.8 kg/cm. Hence, SG90 servo motor is acceptable. Battery sizing. Voltage drawn by each servo motor is 5 volts and the number of servo motors used is 7. The current drawn by each servo motor is 250 mA, hence the total current drawn will be 1750 mA. Therefore, total power consumption will be equal to 8.75 watt. Here are functional specifications of the entire system. We have considered 4 functions and corresponding to it are the specifications. Number 1. Input from buttons which accepts one input at a time. Number 2. Creation of barrier wherein servo motor angle changes from 0 to 90 degrees leading to the closure of the blowing hole. Number 3. Movement of rubber caps wherein servo motor angle changes from 0 to 90 degrees leading to the closure of the tune playing holes. Number 4. Blowing of air blower. Air blower blows continuously for 2 hours having 12 volt supply.
This is the circuit for flute pod. The circuit consists of 7 servo motors, 1 external power supply, buttons for user interaction, and a buzzer. The 6 out of 7 servos will ensure the opening and closing of flute holes, and the 7th servo will ensure the amount of airflow into the flute. There are 2 buttons. Button 1 will play the Saregama tune and button 2 will play the Happy Birthday tune. This is the code for the entire circuit. Initially, variables have been declared for all 7 servos and 2 buttons. These are different functions that contains instructions for servos to play different notes of flutes. Now in the loop part, at first the input will be taken by the user. If the input at button 1 is high, the following code for Sa Re Ga Ma tune will run. And if the input at button 2 is high, the following code for Happy Birthday tune will run.